Alright, here I am with my 2013 Ford Flex Limited. I just replaced the lift actuator arm and the support arms or support struts, whatever they're called, for the for the sides of the lift gate and stuff. The button now works. The button on the key fob works. The button in here works. When I push it, opens. It just won't stay open. Both of these are new. This I just put in today. As you can see, I didn't even clip it in all the way. So what do I do now? I disconnected the battery for 20 seconds and then I fucking reconnected it, and now the lift gate's working. It's just not staying open. So what do I need to do now? Do I need stronger support arms right here? Because these are supposed to be OEM factory parts. I ordered them from fucking, what does that say? Stabilus Liftomat. Yeah, I got these from O'Reilly. They were supposed to be OEM parts. I don't know if they are or not. If there's some better ones I can get for cheaper, that would be cool. I just need to know what. See, it doesn't even try to stay open. But, oops. It definitely does this now, and it wasn't doing that an hour ago, and I was pissed. Super pissed. Now I'm just slightly irritated that it's not staying open.